Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making crispy chicken thighs. There's not going to be any need for breadcrumbs. It's going to be nice and crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and tender on the inside. So stay tuned for the recipe. I'm going to fry 6 chicken thighs, and before I season them, I'm going to pat them dry with some paper towel. This will help make the skin crispier when I fry them. So now I'm adding 3 teaspoons of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And now I'm just gently rubbing and mixing up the seasoning onto the skin. Now I'm turning them onto the other side and seasoning the same way. We like a bit of heat in our meat, so that's why I'm using both cayenne pepper and black pepper, but if you don't like spice, you can always just leave out the cayenne pepper. You could add some more paprika to give it a smoky flavor instead of the spicy flavor. I'm going to leave this on my counter for about 15 minutes to help the chicken marinate a bit. I have my pan on medium high and I'm adding some oil, and I like to use avocado oil for frying. I'm going to put in 3 thighs at a time, skin side down. And I'm putting on my splatter guard so that the oil stays in the pan and doesn't pop up on me. This is going to fry on this side for about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes has passed, so I'm going to turn them onto the other side. See how nice and brown they are? Oh, they look so good. We like our chicken this dark, but if you don't, you can reduce the time to about 13 minutes. I'm going to fry these on the other side for 10 minutes. So these are nice and golden on the other side, and they're done. So I have my cooling rack here, and I've added some paper towels on the bottom to catch any oil. So now I'm going to put the other 3 thighs in. And I'm done. We're going to have this with some roasted beets, carrots, and some sweet potato and quinoa. Now, if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.